Alright everyone, this is going to be a remake of this 52-inch hugger that's in my aunt's house. I know I said it was supposedly a Halsey, but at this point I'm not even sure what this is. All I know is it's a fan. And it's the last fan that was remaining in the house, other than the Minka Air Illuma Wets that were installed in 2015. The other fans that were in the house when my aunt moved in, there were two of these. There was one in another room that didn't have the painted blades. I believe they were oak with stencil, a Hunter low profile, some copper pretzel bracket, 5-blade thing. And that was pretty much it. And they kept this one. I've been wanting to replace this with an all-white fan, like a Springfield. I do want to keep like a ceiling fan in here, but you know, this one's getting old. I probably need to replace the little bracket screws because they seem to get loose, but then again, this room never really gets used unless I'm in here, so that's really that. There used to be a little heart at the end of the chain that I put on here, but that fell off and it's somewhere in here, but I'm not gonna go bother checking. For fixture light kit, I'll turn that on. And it is in reverse. So here's low. You've seen this fan plenty of times in forward, so I'm just gonna leave it the way that it typically is in reverse. So air comes up, hits you down on the bed. Whatever it is, it's not underpowered at all. Yeah, probably a Harbor Breeze Springfield would not be as good as this is, but I definitely wouldn't mind having a all-white fan in here. And just keep this one and put it in another room. So there'd be 2 ceiling fans in the house instead of just one. And here's high. Definitely not a horrible fan at all. I mean, it's pretty strong. It seems to be an okay fan for what it is. And I'll just click it back to medium. Switch off the light. And turn off the fan. So that is the 52-inch no-namer, just gonna go by that, hugger ceiling fan in my aunt's house. Thank you for watching.